Whoa! Come on. Isn't that crazy?
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hey, I'm Chris.
And today we're going to check out some of the most viral videos on the internet. And stick around to the end of the video because we'll ask the question, have content creators gone too far?
I think so.
This week on Magicians React.
Hey, let's go.
Every week here at Penguin Magic, we get sent a ton of magic videos. And so Chris and I have picked some of our favorite videos from the week, and neither of us has seen what the other one has selected.
Yeah, man. I love just scrolling and seeing great magic on the internet. And today's an exemplification of that. So the first video we're going to start off with is a video from Callie Neo. This is one of my favorite creators on Instagram, and he's starting off with this really crazy video, almost very stage illusion-y. Let's take a look. Yeah.
Okay, I'm unfamiliar with Callie Neo.
Yeah.
But I see all the big green screen stuff here, so I'm wondering what.
Yeah, look at this, dude. It's a levitation act. Who knew, right? So you've probably seen him if you saw that one video of the rope through body.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This is the rope through body cat.
Yes.
Right.
And all of these European guys, they all have this really great surrealism to magic,
Yeah.
right? And this guy is just really killing it at this pocket in stage magic.
I really like what's going on here, especially because like the idea of like doing it all in front of a green screen
Yes.
is really cool because it makes you think that, oh, there's going to be something. Although I bet that that levitation looks great.
And then he's flying. He's gonna like start. Yeah. Sorry, what were we saying?
No, like he's got like the dragon wing thing going on.
Yeah.
But I wonder if a bunch of people are gonna take this video and then like chroma key stuff onto it.
Yeah.
You know what this really reminds me of is there used to be this Japanese game show where they would do like big puppet stuff but you could like, there were people in black art suits and you could sort of like see them. I actually worked on an American pilot for that.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Oh, wow.
It was like me and Farrell Dillon and a few other people, and we were gonna have this like dog trainer thing that was crazy.
Yeah.
But it reminds me of that, but the illusion is much better.
Yes.
Super into it.
Yeah, exactly. And I think, funny you mention that. I've always thought black art and like a non-magic sense has always been super fun to me. I always think it's like very artistic and very dancey. It's good.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at a video that I've picked up for you. This is a performer from Britain's Got Talent. This is Eden Choi.
Yes, yeah.
Have you seen this video before?
I have not seen this act particularly, but I love Eden Choi's work, and there's a little bit of cadaver action. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I picked this because
Whoa! Come on now.
it gets better.
Calm down. Whoa, dude. Okay. Oh.
That is why I picked this video for you, is because I know how into like building gimmicks like this you are. Like,
Yes, absolutely.
This 4 to the 9 gimmick right here, I want you to build me something like that.
Yes,
But
I can do that for you for sure.
The fact that it's like built into this like crazy spinning gimmick that changes colors, like I can only imagine what's going on behind the scenes on that card.
Yes, I honestly am fooled. I'm very fooled. Just because I know the workings on just that bit takes hours of work, which I will make you one of these because it's one of the best like animations you can pull off. But once that spinning happens, and the fact he's able to do a color change with it too, that's what really gets me. I have no clue.
Like, even the fact that it's like it cuts back and forth between the audiences and the judges, but I don't think we're missing any sort of weird hookups or anything, just because of like the poses that he gets into as they go back and forth.
Yes.
There's I have no idea what could cause that.
Maybe electronics, I have no clue. I'm very fooled, especially with the change, because that kind of
And the vanish is great too.
Yeah, man, crazy. That's wild. Shout out to Eden Choi, man. Extremely great magician, well worth being on a BGT.
Absolutely. Hey, before we go any further, do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when we post more material like this here on Penguin Magic's YouTube page.
Yeah, smash that like button, man.
All right, Chris, I'm ready for your next one.
So the next one comes from Jal Magic. This creator has some amazing magic on Instagram, and check this out, man. Take a look.
Okay.
This is insane. So,
ooh,
and then
like this is the third.
No cover, boom. Isn't that crazy?
This is obviously the third levitation we've had, but this is
it's a levitation episode.
A levitation with a vanishing card.
We didn't intend on so many levitations, but look at that. Now we kind of have a clue how some of that might be worth, but honestly,
do you think it's practical?
honestly not sure. I think maybe on stage it would be. Like if I were to see this in real life, then.
Was this submitted to the FISM Online?
No.
It wasn't?
No, it wasn't. No. This is actually kind of an older video. This gentleman, Jal Magic, if you haven't seen him, 18-year-old magician. I think he hails from Japan. And he is just really, really killing it and has a very low follow count. Definitely check him out. He has a lot of great work. He's like a lot of compilations too.
If you're watching this, go click the link, hit subscribe to that cat right there. Because like, I mean, obviously stay here, but that guy deserves some love on the internet. That is insane.
Throw your roses at him. Yeah, because I mean, it's crazy. I mean, we can understand there's probably some black art to do and whatnot, but I don't know. I hope
it's black art and not some sort of CG effect. Because it looks like it could be computer generated, but I'll give him the benefit of the doubt because obviously the levitation was great. Nick, sorry, not Nick. I'm used to doing these with Lakato.
Hey, I'm like Nick, but my name is Chris instead.
Chris, I want you to take a look at my next video.
Okay, cool. I'm excited. Whoa. Oh, I actually did see this. This is awesome. Whoa! What the heck? It's so good.
So there's a couple of things that really trip my trigger on this. One is the fact that what is that? Because it's not a hood ornament, it's a plaque. Like the hood plaque.
Looks like a plaque.
Is gone. So there had to be some sort. Like I don't think that that's a shell or a turtle. I should say.
Yeah.
I think it's a custom-made hood where they got it off there, magnetized it back on, and then like redid the paint.
Yeah. But so it takes a lot. You could tell there's a lot of effort to be done here. And, and just the fact that a duck appears, I'm fooled as hell with the duck.
The pony?
Yeah. Say what?
I think it's a pony.
It's a pony?
It's a Porsche.
Oh, I thought it was a duck.
Or is it? It's a pony. Or it's a Lamborghini. It's some kind of exotic European car, and I recognize the logo, like the yellow and the black Prancing Horse logo.
Yes.
So that's such a. It's also a great. This is.
So I'm fooled twice. I thought it was a duck. Nope, it's a pony.
This feels to me like somebody was working on incredible brand collaboration, and then just accidentally made a really killer magic video.
Yeah. That's good. Exactly. I really love any kind of weird car magic. So yeah, that's
I gotta say, the only thing I don't like about it is that I don't know exactly how the horse production works, but I have to imagine that the people who are like standing off to the side are like, it's a video that is created for the viewer, not for the people there.
And I think that is fine. If you see a lot of works by like Xavier Mortimer, is the best at that, and that is the audience, is the people at home. So if you can do genuinely good magic that is for the camera, I have no problem with it personally.
It's definitely getting into that area of like the digital space is becoming a new stage for magicians to perform for somebody else. So people in the video may be in on what's going on, but it's just, I'm still a little old school and having trouble with it. But that doesn't mean it's not a great video.
I see what you're saying, but at the same time, I think the stage and like
who the
Instagram magic
is.
Yes, exactly. Like it's the same argument of like, I'm putting my assistant in a box.
Is the assistant in on it? Okay, fair enough. All right, I take it back.
You feel me, right?
Speaking of intended audiences, Chris, what's your third video?
Oh, my third video is awesome. This one is just a little bit of fun. It's a little bit of fun. This is from illusionist Vadim Gordiv, and look at that. So he takes his thumb off and then makes it hop around the table. It's silly. It's fun. And then he takes it and poof, puts it back on. Isn't that good?
Okay, so at the time of filming, we just had a German guy did optics, Tobias Dostal.
Yes,
we just had Tobias Dostal on, and he does some really cool like pantomime stuff that I'm not going to try and work on here. And I thought that's what you were about to show me, but this idea of like the thumb, like hoppity doodad. Hoppity doodad is what I'm officially going to call that gimmick.
Hoppity doodad.
Yeah, that is hilarious.
Isn't that cool? Yeah, man. I think there's a lot of cool magic out right now using like fingers and like fake fingers and stuff. And you see like Crazy Sam's doing a lot of finger stuff. And this is just a cool additive to it. I thought this was so fun. And it was one of those things where I was like, damn, why did I think about that?
Also, like practically speaking, Vadim, get in touch with us because I want to do that trick. Like, I want to do that in my restaurant gig. That trick is so good.
People would love it. Little thumb up.
It's hilarious. It's so good. Okay, Chris, we're going to get to my final video. And this is the one where I ask, have content creators gone too far? Because so in order to do these videos, I have to get really deep into Reddit and Instagram. I found this deep in the bowels of Reddit, and I immediately loved it, but I immediately also thought, this has gone too far.
If these are in the Reddit bowels, it has to be good. Okay, cool. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, whoa! Whoa!
Not strictly magic, like definitely a juggling piece, allied art, but it's got a real Rudy Kobe flavor to it.
Okay, so okay, wait, hold on. I need to digest this.
Yeah.
What? Buddy, okay, that confused
So
me to no ends. Wow.
This is at On Juggling, and apparently, if you go to the Instagram page, it's a ton of stuff like this, where there's mixing these crazy mannequin hands and weird juggling concepts. But I still think it sort of like gets into magic because they clearly did a great job with the hands.
Yes, absolutely great. And I am very confused about which hands are real, which hands are fake at some point. And I am one, and I had this discussion earlier this week, I'm one to say that things that are magical and things that are magic are one and the same. Now this is not magic, you can kind of see that they're just fake hands, right? But it's magical, it confuses the brain. I think it's in the same pocket of just things that are like, you know, oh, that's absolutely impossible. I honestly would rather just see something cool a lot of the time, you know? And this is so cool to me.
Feels very much like it feels like something that Rudy Kobe would have done.
Yes, absolutely.
And there's been a couple of like other acts, like there's that really wonderful quick chain jack with the six hands going around. But I loved it, and that's my last video for the week.
That was my favorite one of the week, to be honest with you. That honestly, I'm gonna be thinking about that.
Oh, I hope you do. Well, that is it for Magicians React.
Hey.
Do us a favor, let us know in the comments below your favorite magic videos for the week. Maybe even one of these days we'll do like a viewer submitted video that we can react to.
Oh yeah, that'll be fire, dude. Let's do it.
And thanks again so much for watching. And as always, we'll see you next time.
Hey, bye guys.